Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Betterment for AI Portfolio Insights Automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the Betterment website using your preferred web browser. Click on the sign up button located in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password that meets the site's criteria. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your first and last name as requested. Provide your phone number for account verification purposes. Select your primary residence state from the drop-down menu. Review and accept Betterment's terms of service. Click on Create Account to complete this part of the registration process. Check your email for a verification message from Betterment. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Betterment website and log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, you'll be guided through a series of onboarding questions. Answer questions regarding your investment goals and risk tolerance. Based on your responses, Betterment will suggest a customized investment plan. You can review the suggested plan and make adjustments if necessary. After finalizing your investment preferences, you can link your bank account. Provide your bank account details to enable fund transfers. Verify your bank account by following Betterment's instructions. Once your bank account is linked, select the amount you wish to invest. Confirm your investment to start your automated portfolio. Navigate to the AI Portfolio Insights section for personalized investment tips. Explore the available insights and recommendations tailored to your portfolio. Utilize these insights to make informed investment decisions. Regularly log in to track your portfolio's performance and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.